All right, we are here at Overdrive Raceway for shootout number 3. Got a pretty stacked field for this one. We got 2 champions. Caleb's back. Michael's racing this one. Good luck, Michael. And we got kart 40. We're going out on the track first. Should be cold, but I think most of our main competition is in this heat, so that's not something we have to worry about too much. Looking to repeat, hold my crown, and hopefully race in the top 3 so I get free entry for the next one. But if I don't, then I'd rather race in all of the mains like I did for the first shootout, because we're just here to have a good time, and I feel confident. So, all right, we're kart 40, let's hop into it. I'm gonna be first one out on the track. That's just so much pressure.
Racing Social, that's like the sim.
It is, yeah, in Denver. Shout out Denver Racing Social. I'm wearing their shirt today. Hopefully it brings me some good luck. And there's not much else to say other than let's drive. You guys know the deal. This is my 3rd shootout video I've made so far, so fingers crossed it's better than last time. Last time was a little bit boring. I won, but it was a little bit just too boring of a video, which is crazy to say me winning is boring, but that's what it felt like. Okay, so strategy before this starts. Am I good? All right, never mind. Strategy talk later. Let's just lock in and get some good lap times going. Kart feels all right. It's a little harder to turn right than it is to turn left. Pedals are in place. This should be all we need to have a good day. Let's get her started. I'm not gonna use boost. I don't want to destroy my battery. This car feels pretty good. I just gotta hit these points, and I'm gonna try my rubbing the wall strat that I was doing last time. Okay, I'm losing some time in that corner just because the tires are cold, which kind of sucks. Oh my god, that was not a good turn. Okay, see if I can get a wider entry here. That's better. Wider entry, got it. Oh, that was fast, I'm boosting. Screw it. Top of the board, 18.4. Rubbing the wall might be the strat. Don't tell anyone though. 18.457 behind Caleb. I felt pretty quick. Where did we finish? Jay 3rd, Charles 4th, Dex 5th, Michael 6th. Caleb 1st, just barely got some tenths on me. Caleb still got it. He came in here, he's like, guys, I'm so washed. I'm gonna be so slow. Puts in an 18.4 right off the bat. Classic Caleb moment. I'm really happy with that time though. We'll take it. Anyways, that was a good qualifying for me. Top the grid other than Caleb. Can't complain about that. Guys, I'm so washed. I'm gonna be so bad.
I got lucky. Let's keep that straight.
I think it might just come down to everyone in this group for qualifying for the main event. Right now I'm P2, so I gotta keep my times up with this thing. Got 31, no idea if it's good, but like I'm feeling locked in, low key, so feeling like I've got what it takes to do this. Steering feels really stiff, but I've been hitting the gym, should be fine. You know what else I've been hitting is the ground. I tweaked my back the other day skiing. My lower back has not been the same. Luckily that doesn't really affect me in the go-kart, but getting in and out of the go-kart, it's a little painful. Tires look pretty fresh actually. So hopefully this kart isn't a fluke. Okay, maybe it's not so bad. It feels all right. It's Tyler, let's wave. Let's lock the hell in, shall we? This thing might be on rails. Let's find out. Oh my god, a little understeery, but it's fine. Okay, I can put a lot of weight on this thing into that corner. It bogs down with boost. Oh, and I biffed that corner hard. Shit. Oh my god. I am not having a good qualifying. No more talking, I'm locking in. I biffed it. I biffed it. Fifth. 18.6. Oh man. Damn. 18.674 is not what I wanted. But I think that's all this kart had. It didn't feel very fast in the straights. That is tough. Oh well. I think that'll put us like third, fourth maybe. I had a really good Q1, so I'm happy with that. Now Tyler can still very much jump up to the front if he runs another 18.4. I just had a hard time wheeling this thing. Like it felt grippy, but didn't have a lot of power. Should be entertaining. Maybe I start at the front of the B main. That'd be sick. And then like fourth for the A main. That would be ideal. I don't know, it just didn't feel that fast. Hopefully that was fast enough. I don't know where I'll qualify until after everyone's run, so we'll see what happens. 31 was definitely really good on grip, but really slow on power.
Oh, it was that.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll see where that puts us for the main race. And I'm looking forward to it. Okay, we are gridded. Well, not gridded. We have got our karts for the B main. I am starting pole position, so I qualified fourth. So yeah, that second qualifying put me from second provisionally to fourth. Both Charles and Tyler got ahead of me. So top 7 move on to the A main. So as long as I make it to the A main, that'd be great. But I think my goal, what I want to try and do today, is hold my position in the B main, start fourth in the A main, and then make a pass on either Tyler or Charles. I think it's possible if one of them make a mistake. I'm feeling really fast, I'm feeling really good. However, that's what I said when I lost last time, so maybe I shouldn't say that, but all bad juju aside, we got kart 23. I'm gonna pretend like this is the best kart on the entire grid. It's number 23, Michael Jordan's number. Michael Jordan's been winning a lot in NASCAR, so I need some of that winning 23-11 luck. Should be a chaotic one though. 10 people in this race, all behind me, with potential of cautions skyrocketing by the minute. I don't want to caution because cautions in first place are horrifying. But as long as I'm smart with my car placement, we should be fine. It's also not jump to start, that'd be bad. All right, Jay's behind me and then it's Michael. Hopefully Michael pressures Jay. Are you sure you're in the right spot there? Like I appreciate the effort, but all right, I know Jay's gonna be low on power because he's got 31. I had a hard qualifying in that, so I think I can do this. Just no cautions, please. Please no cautions. All right, lights are going out. Let's lock in, focus up. Ooh, this kart feels like it has some really good turn in, which is good. Okay, let's just pull away. Just pull away now. Oh no! What the hell happened? What the hell? What's going on? Well, that's quite the gap I have already. What happened? Someone jumped the start. Interesting. Someone jumped the start?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They got a lap to give it up and they didn't give it up, so now he's on the back.
Gotcha. Okay.
How much of a gap did you make?
I don't know. Are we spacing each other out or you're just asking?
No, I'm just...
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's do some 2 wide restarts. I agree. I don't agree. 2 wide restarts would be horrible for me. Okay, let's hold this position, shall we? Okay. Smooth. Smooth again. A little bouncy through that hairpin, but cannot be helping my speed. I can hear them right behind me. Okay, got a little bit of a gap on Jay, that's good. Last lap, let's bring it home. Oh, nice gap. What a race, what a kart. This kart felt amazing. Let's bring it home. Nice, 18.4, good shit. Oh man, nice. All right, that felt really good. 23, did what you needed to do. Didn't lose any positions in the B main. Now we go to the A main. Gonna try and make up some positions. I'm feeling aggressive, I'm feeling fast, I'm feeling good, feeling amazing. Let's go, what a race. That was stressful. I was locked in, I didn't say anything. That wasn't easy, Jason, especially in a kart that I thought would be much slower. They did a good job. Sure, it was hot in here. So the caution was because someone jumped the start, but feels good. Woo! All right, well, going into the A main, P4, did what I need to do, and now we gotta pass the competition. Let's get it. All right, good luck, man. First race back. Have a good time. Hey, good luck. Great racing also. All right, it is A main time. With my win in the last heat, it's gonna put me 4th for this race. That's fine. I'm sure it won't cause any issues, surely.
This came off.
The whole steering wheel comes up. We'll be fine. Michael's getting a boost. That's cool. Okay, gotta be careful about Jay behind. Really, I've got nothing to lose here. So let's try and pressure Tyler and Charles a bit. Tyler's starting 3rd, so right in front of me. He should be able to maneuver around Charles and I should be able to follow him. 1, 2, 3, me, Tyler, Caleb would be ideal. But if I speak it into existence, it probably doesn't happen. But so you know what? I got where I wanted to be for the A main. Whatever happens, I got nothing to lose. This kart feels a little hard to handle. I'm sure it'll feel better with speed, but good luck. Good luck, sir. Okay, got 2 overdrive champions in this race. And a lot of veterans. Gonna hope that this kart has enough speed to maintain pace with them. I've got faith. Nothing to lose. Lights are going out. Let's have a good race. Whoa, what a bounce. What a boost. Oh shit. Wow, I'm getting a lot of shots from behind. Come on. Oh, good line from me. Caleb is gone. Not a good turn from me there, but Charles is slowing down. Come on, Tyler, get him. Nice, nice. Bouncy. Ow, that hurt. Ow, come on. This kart does not have a lot of front end grip. Oh, I've got that corner on lock, bruh. Why am I saying bruh so much? I don't get it. Bruh. I am cooking. I think I'm catching up to Charles a little bit, and I'm pulling away from Tyler. Let's get it. Come on, Charles. Last lap. Charles, look behind him. Notice I'm right there. Let's put some pressure on. Hi, Charles. Ah, close, but P3. Yo, good stuff. 18-3, let's go. Oh my God, that was chaos. Insane, I caught up to Charles there at the end. Oh my God, that was crazy. What a race. Oh, that'll be so entertaining. I'm so happy. So I got that. 3rd place overall, standing on the podium, and I get free entry for the next one. Let's go. I might have been the fastest kart on track that time too. Hey, this kart activated on like lap 5, lap 6. This thing turned on. Oh my God. All right, time to debrief with all the racers, but I hope you guys enjoyed the racing. It was a really good time. Did exactly what I wanted to do. And I'm happy. Charles was fast. Caught up to him at the end, but oh, wow. Thank you. Breath.
Good race, John. You're good.
Thank you.
Hey, you and Tyler had a good battle there. Me and Jay were right behind you.
We swapped positions like twice.
Yeah.
I gotta go talk to him. That was a fun race.
No, it was
Good race, bro. Good race. Well, we passed each other like twice.
I know.
That was hype. That never happens in these races. Damn right I did. Yeah, you drove away. No one was even close to you that whole race. All right, well, shout out Overdrive. I'll be back, and great racing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.